Come and join us today at Andretti Indoor Karting and Games in Orlando, Florida. We're going to show you everything there is to do. We did work with Groupon to get this deal. It does go on and off on Groupon, so keep an eye out.
Today we're at Andretti's Indoor Karting and Games.
And look at that.
We are going to do some arcade games.
And go-karts.
Go-karts and
VR.
Laser tag.
VR, see what they have to offer here.
And get some questions.
All right, let's go check it out.
Let's go.
Let's go.
I wanted to try this place because we haven't been here with the kids.
So the Groupon doesn't come with the arcade. We're gonna see how much it is for a ticket. But they have an arcade here that has quite a bit. I think that's the VR thing in the middle there. And I don't know, maybe the same thing upstairs. Got Men in Black and Nerf and Hoops, Shipwreck. There's a dance game, Typhoon, Racing, Hot Wheels. It's like a Smacking the Clown thing, Sink It, Ring Toss. Oh, there's a Scooby-Doo one, that's kind of cool. Lane Master and the Skee Ball. So some point games. I wonder where the prizes are, maybe down there.
The Groupon, when we bought it, came with the 7D Dark Ride, laser tag, go-karts, and the VR. We've done a lot of different tours on arcades in Florida, so I will link that down below, and stay tuned as we're going to be working on a video of things to do outside the theme park. So of course I'm going to put in some of the arcades.
There's goats and ropes. Aw, Jurassic Park, that's Buddy Boy's favorite. How many tokens is it? How many tickets? 40. Okay, we gotta see how much 40 costs. Walking Dead and Aliens. The best deal for the arcade is at Arcade Monsters, like I've said before in other videos. There's Wicked Tuna. Because you can play as much as you want. You can play as much as you want for like 25 bucks per person. Dodgeball, TMNT, a lot of ticket games, superheroes, a big plushie claw game. That's kind of cool. There's a big Yoshi in there. And then Basketball Pro, Wizard of Oz, Willy Wonka, Piano Keys, Dicey Jump. Ooh, there's some like nice games in there. Wild West Shootout, Cosmic Tower. There's some prizes here too. Pop-Tarts. Injustice Arcade. There's some prizes up there. Oh look, there's a big Donkey Kong for $12,000. 12,000? Oh boy, how much would that cost?
I only need 2 machines, I can win all that.
Some of these are 30 points. VIP is 25 points, whatever that means.
Those are cute. Look at the plushies.
Yeah, I saw. I had the Wicked Witch.
Plushie on the other side. I like those. Those are cute.
Yeah.
That looks like Minecraft ducks back there.
It does.
So I found out later on that there's 2 different VR experiences. One is called Hyper Deck, that is the bottom one, and the top one is Hollow Gate VR. So Hyper Deck is this one where you all 4 come together and it's almost like you're just shooting. There's wind and lights and effects, and then the upstairs one has completely different choices, and there's not so many sound effects, but you have the headset that's kind of attached to where you can't really move too far. But it was still a lot of fun, which I'll show you what we did. The best VR though is Sandbox VR by far. So if you do a membership, you do save. It's $30 or so for bowling and then $15 per experience. But if you can get a good deal like Groupon, it was only $35 a person for everything.
So you have to schedule the race time, which is over that way, and then we got our cards, which has the 7D theater, the laser tag, and the VR. So everything is like inside here, which is pretty convenient. It's kind of cool. Also over here is a big Pac-Man, Space Invaders, and a Halo. Oh, buddy boy, you got me! It's you. Ah! Hey! I got him. Alright, let's see. We're buddy boy, not buddy boy! This is fun. We're buddy boy! Buddy boy! Still loading. Turn. Loading up. Went to a few different ones. This one's nice.
is the Hollowgate VR, and they had quite a few different choices. I can't remember all of them, but the one that we had to choose was, of course, Ghostbusters. I knew once my son saw that option, he was gonna want to pick that. Ghostbusters!
Right. Yeah.
I put in a clip here at the bottom with the Hollowgate VR commercial for Ghostbusters. It was actually pretty cool. It wasn't super realistic, like you felt like you were in it like Sandbox, but it was still really neat to shoot the proton packs, to get Slimer, the huge Stay Puft Marshmallow. If you're a fan of the movie and you're coming over to Andretti, I definitely recommend doing that one.
Ghostbusters was the only like movie one, right?
Yeah.
So that was cool. Did you like it, buddy?
Yeah.
You defeated Slimer and the Stay Puft Marshmallow, and then the piranha fish.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So cool.
Floating piranha.
Yeah, I like that one. That's probably the best thing here so far. I got 25 bucks on here. I love these things. This is cool though because it moves like along here. It's kind of cool. There you go. Yeah.
Turn it down to accelerate.
This was 50 each, so 100 credits. So we have 525 left. Alright, here's 80 more credits, 40 each for these two. They want to do it. They love this game. And they want to do this other one, the roller coaster simulator. So that's what it is. This is Hyper Deck. And it's these guys holding this, whatever this is. Let's see. See how they're holding those. That's different from what we did. We had a gun. So Hollowgate is up there, which is what the Ghostbusters game said, Hollowgate. 515 left. This was 55 points. Oh, we're gonna get shot off. That'd be cool if they did something like that. Like this is the junior, the little kids track right here. Now this is the adult one. That looks pretty intense actually. They got a lot of drops and ramps and stuff. That's fun. They get to do it twice just because we can't all ride together just yet. Woo! Pumpkin! Buddy! Kind of a short track.
Yes, he's got it.
Turn!
Pumpkin. You go, buddy, turn.
Good job.
There you go.
Up the stairs here is the Sky Bar, and I believe there's another racetrack, but it was kind of hard to see through the glass, so I don't know if there's a better view of this. So we did all 4 things in the Groupon, which I think the Groupon was definitely worth it. I don't know if I would pay full price though, unless you know the specific activities you want to do, because everything does add up. Just like Desertland and Elevate, it's the same kind of thing. Kids wanted to do this SpongeBob one, which we normally don't do because there's so many points, but I just figured let's let them do it, get rid of these, and then one last shot at the claw machines.
You only get one try. I don't think so. Oh man.
I gotta get one more try.
I don't think it's gonna get either. Oh please. Didn't even grab.
The funny thing is, somebody left points on this machine and my husband noticed, so we actually got some free stuff from this one. Whoever gave the points and left, thank you. Every once in a while we'll discover somebody leaves points on a machine, so that's a plus.
Those are cute. What is it? Like little monsters. Axolotl and another little monster. Those are cute. So as we head out, they have this area here for food. Some ice cream. And then they have a bar, kind of like Dave & Buster's.
And to give the final tour, the bowling is over this way. So check out our things to do in Orlando, theme parks, and beyond. Thank you so much for watching.
Stay up and subscribe on my Vizgonna channel. Subscribe.
Click these videos next to see other arcade and go-kart options in Orlando. Like I said, there are a bunch of options to choose from, and you should pick which one you think is best for you. And check out our playlist down below. Thank you for watching.